welcome back to Craft Little Things. I'm Andrea. I've got a bit of sunshine creeping into the picture here. I'm just wanted to announce the winner of the giveaway that I did, which was for the Works craft kits. And the winner was Lindsay Lou. She was chosen from, I think it was four people who commented on all 12 of the posts. Now, the kits that I demonstrated in my 12 videos weren't necessarily the kits that were going to be gifted in the prize. And I was really sorry, because I did say when I did the big Christmas tree, which was the last one I did on video 12, if you're not sure what I'm talking about, there is a playlist. I tested out 12 kits from the Works. They're £1 or a couple of pounds each, over 12 videos last Saturday, and then I did a giveaway at the end. The big Christmas tree, I didn't have it as a giveaway prize, and I really wanted to put it in because it was my favourite, and they didn't have any left. It's out of stock, so I will keep checking, and if it comes back in stock I will send it out. But these were the gifts that I had in stock, and then these are the gifts I had to send out, and then I've bought some more, so I'm going to do a little bit of a mini haul as well. So what Lindsay will be receiving will be a stained glass kit, which fortunately I did have in my ready to give away, because this was another one of my favourites, and this isn't available anymore either. The Colour Your Own Character sticks, which I didn't do in the review. Pom Pom Pals, the snowman and the Santa and the reindeer, the snowman and the elf. I did the snowman, I think. So they're complete kits there. There's 2 of those. She'll also be receiving this Christmas tree cross stitch, which again I didn't do in the 12 hours of Christmas I did. The pom pom garland, which I did do. The make your own jingle bell snowman version. I tried the reindeer version. I didn't like it very much, but I have the snowman, so that's going to Lindsay. See if she can do better than I did. There's the festive characters. Now this, I have used the festive characters. I only did one, so I've put all the rest in there for Lindsay to have in the giveaway. Then I've bought a few more bits since. Make your own foam angels. How cute are they? So they're going in her pile as well. Make your own Christmas headband. How cute is that? So that's going to be in the giveaway. The 60 pack of foam stickers. They're going to Lindsay too. This make your own felt Christmas tree. Makes one tree. That's going in as well. The hanging decorations, again I didn't do. Did I do this one? Oh, I did do this one. I did the Santa in the videos. This one's going into the giveaway as well. This one's going in as well, which is little garland flags. Supposed to put in little cakes and things like that. So that's going in there as well. The foam Christmas tree that stands in a little pot, that's going in. Yep, that one. And the door hangings, they were great. They were another one of my favourites. These 2 I loved. The photo frames, another one I loved. That one's going into the stack as well. And the mini felt stockings, which I loved. So that's in Lindsay's kit as well. And, oh, the festive characters. So what I'll do is I'll put these ones that are opened, I'll put those back in my stash, and they can go to Lindsay. So I think that's everything. Let me just check. Oh no, there's Melty Beads set. Oh, that's interesting. I didn't do that one either in the video, so that's going in as well. So all those bits and bobs are going to Lindsay. Well done. I still haven't spotted where you've given me your address though, so make sure that I get that. You can private message it to me. You can send it to inquiries@craftylittlethings.uk.com. You can private message me it on Crafty Little Paper Things on Facebook, or you can message me on Instagram on Crafty Little Things UK, or I think you could. Can you send people a private message on YouTube? I don't know. If you can, then do that. So these are all going to be, or you can leave me an email in the comments of this and I'll message you, whichever one you want to do. So these are all going into this box and they're all going to be posted out to Lindsay, who was the lovely winner. A minute, I found something else. Hanging Owls. That's going in there as well. So yeah, all of that is going into there. So let me just pop it all in. Hopefully this box will accommodate all of these. So anyway, what I picked up was really boring stuff. I just picked up some ribbon, 22 metres of this red, lovely red satin ribbon. It's, I'd say it's a centimetre wide, for £1. 22 metres of ribbon for £1. That's great for wrapping and stuff. I also got this ribbon stack, which was £2, and this is 4 by 2 metres. So there's 2 metres of each of these ribbons. There's this one that's with Love at Christmas written all over it. It's really lovely. There's this lovely tartan, there's a burlap, and then there's this gorgeous, intricate kind of gold lace ribbon, which I really wish I could get the tape off so I could show you it better. Look at that. How special is that? Gorgeous. That'll look really lovely on cards. So that was that, £2. So that's £2 for 8 metres in total, but look how thick it is. Lovely. Then I got myself, don't even know, sometimes I just buy things, I don't even know what I'm buying them for. A curved corner wooden plaque. I think I'm going to make something with that. A Christmassy little bit of something, decoration. I got these little wooden angels because I just thought they were just so cute for £1. 32 of those for £1. They're in plain. I think they're plain, or they're just, well, they've got a plain side, but on the other side they're either this nice sort of deep crimsony red or this rich green colour. I got these holly embellishments because I thought these were lovely for £1. They're really cute. I like those, like £3 for the holly. I got some adhesive pads. These are the mini pads, the mini square pads. Now I do use the mini dimensionals, but I thought, well, £1 for 4 sheets. I'm going to give them a go for little tiny, when I want to stick little tiny things down. And then I got myself this cutting die for £2, which I thought was really lovely for a label. It's just nice anyway. It's cut those nice relief and it's just a love, isn't it a lovely label? It's just really nice. For £2, I mean that's lovely. I'll be able to send some of those in a giveaway. So yeah, that's me done for today. I'm absolutely full of cold and it just seems to be getting worse and worse. And I've heard that Gaynor Boyce from Stamp with Joy, she's really unwell at the moment as well. So I'm just hoping I'm not going to get as bad as she sounds to be, because she's not sounding good at all. So all my love to her, hoping for her a speedy recovery and hoping that I don't get any worse than I am already. Okay, take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.